Alright guys, so hey, I'm coming here today and the last time I took the body off of the parts car, I'm gonna try something a little different this time because I want to just I want to put the engine and trans onto the body, onto the frame, mount everything up, because I had exhaust pipes put on this WILDCAT because I was gonna finish it last year, but with the appointments, getting the windshield, everything, it fell back. So then I decided to just go on and do a full restoration on this car. So, and that was one reason, and then the other reason, the motor was back too far, figured out, and didn't have much room between the air conditioning box on the firewall. So I wanted to, and I had another frame, so I just wanted to swap out the frames. And you go back, you see I did some videos. I painted the frame the color I'm painting the car already, and so all of that's done. So now I got to get this frame off of this WILDCAT, but I want to pull it straight out. I don't want to, normally I push them to the side because wintertime I always need room here. If one of my daily vehicles break down, I need to do something to them that I can do. So it's almost, this winter been dragging, the cold weather been dragging on up here in Wisconsin, but it's at the point now that I done turned this WILDCAT on an angle so I could pull that frame straight out of the garage here. So I'm building these boxes here so I could put the jack stands on top of here with some 4x4s, and it should support those jack stands where I can get this body jacked up way high. So that's what I'm doing here, guys. I'm just coming in and getting these boxes made here. Alright guys, hey, so I'm using really long screws because I don't want this to give way and move at all, guys. So now the jack stands should they should fit on, they should sit on here. Alright guys, so hey, I'm gonna let this down right here. Let it down on the frame.